Hello everyone. Is it possible to learn draw anatomy in just one day? Well, it's possible. To learn this, first, hope you know the lazy artist. Nah, just kidding. Here I'll show you. First, you need to search any reference on Google. After you found some good reference that you want, go to your application and import the image. Remember to reduce the capacity of the image. Okay, now, start tracing the reference with your based anatomy, like this one I did. I usually do randomly sketching when I draw anatomy, so don't mind my anatomy technique. And also remember to put those circles, squares and cross when you draw anatomy. Well, I've actually learned something here too. On the lower body, I prefer you to draw triangle shape because it will help you a lot. Okay, it's done. Now that you have learned the structure, try to draw some anatomy on your own. Well, I usually do make rush when I do anatomy because when you design character, it will take you hours to make it with colors. And sometimes, you made some mistakes and changed the pose or the character design. Yep, this method works to me. I can easily draw anatomy. Let's try to draw fingers because I haven't shown it. Oh, it's too big. Well, no problem, I can use resize. Well, not only on anatomy, but you can also do it with any part off the body where you want. Let's try the hands. Well, the process still the same. Like what I did earlier, I put circles on the important part. If you want, hope this one helps you. I usually draw hands like this. Remember, every fingers have different height, so I prefer you to watch your fingers as a reference. And also I know you have watched some tutorial doing this one because the hands really not perfect aligned, so let's move on to the bonus tutorial. Well, if you don't like this one, you can skip the video. This one's so easy if you likes to draw lips. First, draw a free circle that shapes like pyramid, then draw a line in shapes like this one. Okay, let's try to draw one, but I'm not into realistic, but I will draw it on semi-realistic. Well, it looks pretty bad. Let's try another one, without some guidelines. put it some color. I used airbrush because lips color is blending on skin if you see it yourself. It's looking good. Also, if you want to draw lips on sideways, try this one. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you learn a bit, and also motivate you a little bit to draw. Bye.